All right, I made it to my destination late last night because I was tripping here first and I got down to maybe 30% charge. And one, I didn't know if my Airbnb had a plug in the garage, or even if they had a garage or anything like that, or a plug outside that I could even use. So that put me in a little bit of a panic. I used the Tesla finder to find the closest charger and drove there. Took 30 minutes to get to it, not knowing that it was a destination charger. So I got there and they're taking it 8 hours to charge me up. Didn't want to play that game. So then I actually had found the closest hey, come on, why are you chewing on sticks? Found the closest supercharger. Hold on, my my alarm was going off. I woke up way earlier than I wanted to. I'm updating my drone so I can get finally some drone footage of my Tessie. Oh, you want to come inside now? Okay. No? So the Tesla supercharger was another 35 minutes away. I was supposed to get to my Airbnb at like 7. I didn't get here until like 9:30. That was after driving for that was almost 24 hours of driving nonstop with the small breaks of charging. Wow, this goofball. What are you doing, weirdo? Are you mountain goat? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, bye. I know there's 1,000 things out here that could kill her. But yeah, that was fun. Phoenix is kind of a cool place. It's a little wild because it's like a mini California, just in how people drive. And that's just from living in California over a decade ago. But this is the place. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that really cool? I'm like filthy. It's like a really cool, like Adobe-ish place. Some good views. Not bad. Like really cool. I got mountains in the background. So I'm in this place called Apache Junction, which I think is on the east side of Phoenix. And yeah, I've named my car Benatar after Guardians of the Galaxy's Pat Benatar. She's inside charging. All right. Well, this is a little quick walk around of this place. It's called the Superstition Inn, I think. I'll link them somewhere. I'll put a card at the top. This is an awesome Airbnb. Beautiful place. They've been very friendly. If you're a Tesla owner, I'd recommend it because they have a huge garage along with the plug, and they had no problem with me using the garage for my Tesla. do a quick walk through this place on the inside. This is great. Really, really cool spot. Very pretty. I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. It's such a great spot. Huge bed, nice bathroom, very clean. Highly, highly recommend this spot. I'm gonna take some quick photos and maybe a little bit of droning for him and email it to him. But I mean, this is the backyard. Look at that. I'm squinting because it's dark and my eye is sensitive. But I mean, there's mountains in the background. I mean, look at that, mountains. Like, the views are gorgeous. This is awesome. Yeah, beautiful spot. Highly recommend it. Not expensive at all. I mean, I feel like the cost of a hotel would be just as much, so. All right, I am leaving Albuquerque at the moment. Not Albuquerque, man. I'm leaving Phoenix, Arizona. It was a good trip. It was very quick. I mean, very, very quick. But I got to have some crazy views, like this. Look at that, awesome views. Unbelievable. Sorry for the GoPro in the way. See a little bit up there. It's awesome. Like, how beautiful is all this? I mean, it's wild. I'm leaving Phoenix. I'm currently heading to Payson, Arizona, which is about 60 miles away, to do a 20-minute charge there. I am, man, this probably looks 10 times better than my GoPro. I probably should have been doing this whole time. It just looks better, feels better. Again, I'm learning what's the best for these videos and what's going to look the best on YouTube. So it was fun. It was very, very quick. It was faster than I probably would have wanted the trip to be. I know I missed out on a lot. A lot of experiences, a lot of places to eat. I drove by so much that I wanted to try. Scottsdale seemed really nice. Albuquerque was nice. Apache Junction at night, I guess any place could be that way. Any place at night looks terrible, but it didn't look as great as it does during the day. During the day, it was pretty. All of Albuquerque is just, actually, I keep saying Albuquerque because that's where I'm going. All of Phoenix is actually really, really pretty. Like the building styles, the cactus, like adobe. Oh shit, there's this whole, I'm up a mountain. Man, I need to stop and take some photos in some of these places. Their cactus and weeds and tumbleweeds and style is very appealing, and it grows on you very, very quickly. So I think I like it. I think I would like to visit again. If I visit again, I don't know if I'm going to drive. It's a very, very long drive. Jeeves mentioned in the that he, you know, would visit. So when he comes out, I'll do some filming of like him out there, and I can show him around town, and maybe do some, you know, professional photography of his car. I mean, he may have already done that. No idea. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave you with some of the views that I'm seeing, and record you at the next stop that I'm at. Beautiful, guys. Oh my god. And I have nowhere to stop to get a photo of this. Man, if there's something to pull up over here, this is a drone. This is where you do the drone photo. Wow. Just awesome. Recharge gen the whole way. Oops, I'm saying the lines. Made it to Payson, Arizona. My car's back there. Beautiful skyline. Doing a real quick charge before I hit whatever the next stop is. I don't know where it's at, but I gotta find somewhere to pee. So, yeah, look at that car. There's beauty. Beautiful sky. Gorgeous place. All right, moving on. Not sure if y'all can see this, but it's just this beautiful city down in the valley. This is Albuquerque. I am gonna find my supercharger and crawl into the back and pass out with Gigi for a few hours. I need a good